All right, and welcome to this little presentation about me. I am Robert Stephen DeFrance. I have a bachelor's degree in English, master's degree in rhetoric and composition. In achieving those two degrees, I studied these two works here. In particular, I really enjoyed the work of George Lamming. You can see he's one of the great West Indian authors from the 1960s. I did my apprenticeship in order to get here. I was a English tutor for about 10 years at various institutions, including right here at Cerritos College. In fact, at Cerritos is where I was a teaching assistant as well in 2004. And that's also the year that I began as an English professor at Cerritos College and overall. I've taught at many local institutions, and I still teach at Long Beach City College, Cerritos, UC Irvine. I've won the Inspirational Faculty Award. I've been on several dean hiring committees. I helped co-author the 2014 Student Equity Plan at Long Beach City College. Oh, that's fun. I have been published in California English a few times and have presented at the CATE conference. There are a couple extra things about me: what I like to eat, some of my favorite films, Pulp Fiction, Fight Club, The Shining, LA Confidential, Gladiator, family. My students have gone on to UC schools to become published authors, award-winning authors, and that's just a little bit about me. Thank you.